Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Python is a versatile and easy to learn programming language. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, understanding the basic structure of a Python script is essential. In this tutorial, we'll explore the fundamental components of a Python script with code examples. The shebang line is the first line of a Python script and is optional, but it's good practice to include it. It specifies the path to the Python interpreter that should be used to execute the script. This line ensures that the script runs with the correct Python version. Comments are essential for code readability and understanding. They start with the hashtag symbol and are ignored by the Python interpreter. Use comments to explain your code, making it easier for others, or yourself, to understand. Imports are used to include external modules or libraries in your script. They should be placed after the shebang line and comments. Variables store data values and have a data type associated with them. In Python, you don't need to declare the data type explicitly. Functions are blocks of reusable code. They help in organizing your code and making it more modular. The if __name == main__, block is used to determine if the script is being run as the main program. Code inside this block will only execute if the script is the main module. Here's a simple example combining the above elements. This script calculates the area of a circle given its radius. Understanding these basic elements will help you create well-structured and readable Python scripts. As you progress, you can explore more advanced topics and enhance your coding skills. Happy coding! ChatGPT